Great first-time buyer or investment opportunity, close to ODU and Larchmont. Durable and attractive LVP, luxury vinyl plank floors downstairs, living room and spacious dining room along with half bath and kitchen and laundry area that leads out to fenced-in backyard. 3 bedrooms with carpet and full bath upstairs. Primary bedroom west/huge walk-in closet. Convenient location with access to schools, shops, restaurants and medical facilities. Tenant occupied, 24-hour notice required to tour.